Hello students and welcome to Arazi Prep School for Boys. Welcome to the new year 2020-2021. I wish you all a very good and successful year. Today we are going to review some materials from grade 7 curriculum. It's a grammar lesson about to and enough. We are going to use the English Language Student's Book, pages 91, and the workbook on pages 96 and 97. Today's learning objectives will be: differentiate between the use and function of to, enough accurately. Consolidate the use of to and enough in various activities properly. Now I want you to read the two examples in the yellow box below. The weather is too humid. We can't go out this night. The weather is warm enough. We will go swimming. Now do the following tasks. Circle the adjectives in the two examples above. That's correct. Humid is an adjective. Warm is an adjective. Now what do you notice about the position of the words in blue? To and enough. When are they used with the adjective? To is used before the adjective. Warm, enough. Enough is used after the adjective. Now what are the meanings of to and enough? Read the two sentences in the box below and circle their best meanings, A or B. This t-shirt is too big for me. I won't buy it. A. It is very big for me and it doesn't fit my size. Or B. It is suitable for me and it fits my size. A is the correct answer. When we say, this t-shirt is too big for me, it means that it is very big for me and it doesn't fit my size. Sentence number 2. My brother is 18. He is old enough to drive a car. Does it mean A. My brother isn't very old. He can't drive a car. Or B. My brother can drive a car because he's old as much as needed to drive a car. That's right. B is the correct answer. When we say he is old enough, we mean that he can drive a car because he is old as much as needed to drive a car. Now read the two sentences below and match them with the rules of to and enough. This t-shirt is too big for me. I won't buy it. My brother is 18. He is old enough to drive a car. Which sentence is A. It is used before adjectives. It has a negative meaning and it means more than necessary. B. It is used after adjectives. It has a positive meaning and it means as much as is necessary. To is with A and enough is B. To is used before the adjectives. For example, my school is too far. To, it comes in a positive sentence, but it has a negative meaning. It means more than necessary or needed. For example, the tea is too hot. I can't drink it. Or the t-shirt is too small. I need another one. Enough is used after the adjectives and before nouns. For example, my room is big enough. I have enough money. Enough also comes in a positive sentence and it has a positive meaning. For example, my bedroom is big enough. I can share it with my brother. And sometimes it comes in a negative sentence. For example, the t-shirt isn't big enough. I can't wear it. Now let's practice what we have learned. Complete the sentences with to or enough and the adjectives in brackets. You can pause the video and do the exercise on your student's book, page 91. Now check your answers. I don't want to go to the beach. It's too cloudy. These trainers aren't big enough for me. I won't buy them. Thomas can't go on that ride because he is only 150 meters tall. He isn't tall enough. I'm not going bowling with my friends tonight. I'm too tired. We can't go on that bus. It's too crowded. Khaled was fast enough to win the race. Now practice number 2. We're going to look at the pictures and read the sentences. Use to and enough. Pause the video, do the exercise, then check your answers. Now let's check the answers. She can't go on the roller coaster. She isn't tall enough. Let's go inside. It's too hot. We can share the room. It's big enough. I can't buy this car. It's too expensive. Now practice number 3. Complete the sentences, use to or enough and the words in the box. Now let's check your answers. These shoes are too small for me. I'll give them to my little sister. Are there enough toys to send to the children's hospital? This tea isn't warm enough for Grandma. She won't drink it. We didn't sleep well because the beds weren't comfortable enough. Michael didn't have enough money to give to charity, so he gave some of his old books instead. If that activity is too difficult for you, ask Terry to help you. Now, do the self-assessment exercise E on the same page as your homework. We will correct it next time. The first one is an example for you. I can drive a car because I'm old enough.